How you doing there, YouTube? So I want to do a little short video of item I purchased for my truck. I bought a used truck back in October, and I was kind of unaware of some of the maintenance you had to do on it. Some of the maintenance required greasing the ball joints. I guess this truck might have had upgraded ball joints a little while back, and they came with grease fittings. The factory ones, therefore, did not have grease fittings. They were sealed internally. So what I noticed about these grease fittings is they were straight up. They were not set for a 90-degree angle like I needed because the axle was in the way, so there was no way I could get a conventional grease gun on it. So I ended up finding a solution for a 90-degree elbow. So I found the Lumax. Hi YouTube, I'm here today for this quick little video to show you guys how to use the, I believe it's called Lumax 1404. It's a 90-degree grease fitting. Comes with two adapters, one already attached to the thing itself, to the nozzle, and there's some videos online but nobody really showing you how to use this thing, so I figure I'll show you guys. Basically this is it installed right now. Very simple process. It's like a pressure fitting, so you just pop it in just like that. If you look in the end of this, it's got these three plates in there. When you push those over the grease fitting, it pops on and it locks onto it. The same for the other side of this nozzle. Inside of here there's a grease fitting on the 90-degree elbow that pops into it, and the pressure holds it on. So let me see if I've only got one hand here, so I want to show you this thing. If you look at here where the two, right here, this right here, this comes apart. This is the bottom part of the 90-degree fitting. So you just pull this off and it snaps right in place. Very simple. There's no modifying that you have to do or anything to it. I was kind of confused like a lot of other people, and I'm like, let me just try popping this thing and see what happens. So I did, and this thing works like a charm. I'm glad I bought this one. So basically, to disconnect it, you want to pull this thing back and pull in the opposite direction each. Grab a hold of this here and that and just pull apart. Doesn't come apart that easy, but let me see if I can take it apart and show you guys. I'm going to put the phone down for a second. Well, I tried to separate it, and basically this comes like that, spring loaded, so you can pull it up, and you probably have to get a pair of channel locks on there and pull it off, because it basically mates itself really well to this after. But I tell you one thing, it works really good. I didn't have to use my left hand to hold it onto the grease fitting either. Once it popped on over the fitting, it stayed there, and I could use the other two hands to pump the gun, which was really nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Again, this is the Lumax LX 1404.